students you have to able to in a week 3 hours courses. That is the course objective. This part is already covered. Hardware to student and the stages of the product, hardware and the software design and its development. Learn the different consideration of analog, digital or mixed circuit. What is the analog circuit? You have to use here op-amp circuit, instrumentation, amplifier circuits, power amplifier circuits. You can use for the IC741 and the IC AD7903 or the 8903. That is the instrumentation, and the power amplifier, that amplifier you have to use for the sound system like a loudspeaker or the any speaker you have to use for the audio amplifier. That amplifier is most probably used for the power amplifier circuitry. Then the digital and mixed circuit. What is the digital circuit? You use for the last year microcontroller. That microcontroller you have to implement 8051 microcontroller, 8052 microcontroller, any digital circuits. Not only microcontroller, you can use for the IoT circuits, say Raspberry Pi, any smart devices you have to inbuild of a particular digital circuitry. And that digital circuit is an mixed digital circuits. That circuits you have to design or implement. Mixed circuit, analog as well as digital circuit like a MSO, mixed signal circuitry. In a PCB design, you have to implement of a different tool, like a different tool you can use for the Proteus software. This is the prerequisite. You have to implement or the design development of the PCB design. In a PCB design, you have to implement a Eagle circuits or the Proteus circuits. These two tools is most probably used for the PCB design. PCB, printed circuit board. Also students, to understand the importance of testing in a product design cycle. Importance of testing in a product design cycle. Which product? Product of any electronic circuits. You have to testing of that electronic circuit. After that is the PCB is implementing a PCB. You have to finish. After that you have to testing of that circuits using a multimeter for particular points. You can test it like a power supply. Power supply inputs is across of that voltage resistor. You can use for the checking of that testing capacitor. That capacitor you have to use for the bypass capacitor in power supply design. And the IC 7905 or 7905 means a positive voltage regulator and the negative voltage regulator you have to use for the approximately 5 volt, because that you have to use IC 7905 or the 7805 is approximately positive 5 volt voltage and the negative 5 voltage as a voltage regulator. That is most important part you have to learn learn in this chapter. Then after that the point number 5th, course objective to understand the process and the importance of the documentation. Importance. What is the documentation? Any report or any searching of the electronics products design in a hardware, in a software, and its implementation and the development of PCB design. In that process you will understand, and most important related for the documentation you have to referring for the data sheet. Also you have to referring the number of books, reference books. That is you have to most understanding and the knowledging of that analysis in a PCB design of any digital as well as analog circuitry. Next point, course outcomes. Course outcomes in a product, electronic product design in a subject course outcome, the students completing this course. After students completing the course, students will be able to, means after that you are finished after a 3 to 3.5 months, means 110 days this course is finished, means minimum 3 months the lectures and practicals are over. We will able to students various stages of hardware, software and the PCB design. You remembering after that 3 months you remember of the hardware, of the software and the PCB design in any electronic circuitry, in any electronic circuitry, and that point you have to go various stages of the PCB design. Next, the importance of the product test and the test specification. Any electronics product you have to test it, and the test specification you can implement maximum documentation or the maximum testing points of that product. Also refer that data sheet and write down test specification or the specification of particular components. This is most important points for the electronics product design. In this subject you have to more learning about the project based subject. Any product you have to implement it, that is the application based subject. You have to implement of that after a 3 months. Then spatial design consideration, spatial design consideration and the importance of the documentation. Spatial design means a design of any product is the spatial, and consideration importance. Consideration you can consider of any product, and after that you have to importance. Write down its specification, write down its important features, write down its applications, write down its advantage, disadvantages, and most important which tool you have to use for that particular product is a most important point of report writing of the or the thesis writing or the dissertation for any documentation. Then here starting off unit 1. Unit 1, introduction to electronic product design. Introduction means a man machine dialogue in the industrial design, user center design, 5 element of successful design, cognition, ergonomics, packaging, factors, design for manufacture, assembly and disassembly for any products, wiring, checking of the temperature, vibration and the shock of safety, noise, energy coupling, grounding, filtering and the shielding. These important points it undergoes unit 1, introduction of electronic product. You can assume that the product is the electronics like a PC, computer, personal computer, and that computer you have to use in a man machine dialogue, industrial design, use center design. There are 5 successful design elements, means the most important is you can use for the 5 elements or the 5 components. Keyboard is must, mouse is must, you can install that number of operating system like a Windows operating, Linux, or the Ubuntu, any operating system you have to install in that. And after that you have to use for the packaging of that products, design and the manufacture. Like a SCL is one type of the product in a computer, like a Lenovo, Acer, HP, number of products available in market. But the best feature or the specification of any product you can understand of that product. Then after that in unit 2 you can use hardware design or the testing method. Hardware design, before 10 minutes I talk about the hardware. What is the hardware? That is you have to use for the most probably op-amp circuitry in a analog circuit. Hardware circuit, analog circuits, and digital circuits in a also used for the hardware. Means hardware design you can use for the any IC for related microcontroller or the analog circuitry. But is most important design process, identify the requirement, formulating specification, design specification, specifications are requirement, specifications versus requirements. Specification means product specification and versus requirements. You have to implement any product and your requirement of that product. This is the meaning of your component selection process. This is the difference between design specification or the specification of the product and the requirement of the product. System partitioning. System partitioning means the part of the system. There are number of parts in computer. First was the monitor is different, keyboard is different, mouse is different, CPU is different, and in a CPU you have to use for the hard disk, sound or the speaker is different. This is the different system partitioning, and that partitioning you have to use a functional design. What is the functional? Is most important processor. That processor central processing unit, and that central processing you have to use the number of functionals. That is the most important product. And after that here the testing methods. What is the testing method? The product is ready but product is not run condition. Then what to do? You have to use for the formulating of test plan, writing is specification, test procedure, test cases, egoless design, design review, module debug or test, box test, white box test or the gray box test. This is the types of the tested in a testing method. And most important, after testing you have to prototyping and the performance efficiency you can measure of that hardware circuitry. In electronic product, get the example of computer. And here also gives the 6 hours it gives for the unit 1, 6 hours gives to unit 2, and the third unit 3 software design and the testing method. Software design and the testing method. The types of the software. There are number of softwares available in a market, and the number of software also you have to already use in a second year or the third year. In a second year, which software you have to learn it? The multi-sim software you have to also learn it. Keel software, Eclipse software, Turbo C software, Visual Basic softwares. This number of softwares, MATLAB software you have to also learn in a third year. Proteus software, Eagle software. This number of softwares you have to learn already. But in a current year you have to learn a different software as compared to last year. These types of the software, waterfall model of software development. Waterfall model of software development. Models, matrix, and the software limitations. It gives a system in your PC. Operating system is 32-bit, but you have to download in a net MATLAB software, and that is the file is available. Executing file is available in 64-bit. Then that is the problem. This is the limitations of the software. You have to download, your operating system is 32-bit, then your MATLAB is also 32-bit, and after that downloading you have to use for that waterfall model of software development. Risk abatement and the failure prevention means a number of errors you have to remove. That is the failure of the error, and the risk your abatement means you have to risk your, or the number of softwares you have to mention their agree or the term and conditions. That term and conditions you have to number of preventions you can agree. After that, that software you have to install in your PC. Software bugs and testing. Good programming practice. Yes, number of students is good programming practice, or the bugs of the testing. Software testing. Yes, software is testing. After that, software is okay. You can run the code. What to do in software? Get the example of Eclipse software. Which one? In a Eclipse software, you have to write down the code. Which code? Any code. The maximum students in a class, that is the yesterday I have give the example of the protocol. In a batch there are 4 batch in your class: batch A, batch B, batch C, and batch D. And each and every batch there are 20 students. How much? In a 20 students. And that each and every batch there are 20 students. For first batch you have to performing a different code. Second batch is also performing different code. But the third batch and fourth batch you have to performing same programming or the same code. You have to run it. But the one students or the one batch is considering the data you have to use in a wrong way, means the multiple inputs or the single inputs. You have to use a good programming practice for each and every students. Then get a more about that software. There are 80 students in your class, assuming there are maximum 78 students, but you have to approximately 80 students. You have to get a console data and write down the program. The Digvijay is the roll number, assuming for this, and the Aishwarya or the Pooja or the anyone, assume this is the roll numbers 1 2 3 4 5, and you have to write down the code of 0 to 10 student. I am not randomly check a students. I have collect the data roll number 1 to roll number 10, and that student of roll number 1 to roll number 10 you have to bug it, or the 1 to 10 you have to that collected students for anyone, for alphabetically, not a randomly. In a alphabetically I have selected for 1 to 10 number, and that 10 students you have to collect the information like date of birth or the attendance or the result analysis. Automatically you have to get directly print it for the number of students. It's a mention of result, and you have to run that program. The alphabetically run that program, then the program you have to get run successfully. Means alphabetically first you have to select A, B, C, D. Likewise the numbers of 1 to roll number 1 to 10 automatically students you have to get the message. But 1 to 80 students, roll number 1 to 80 students, and I have selected randomly any R name of the students or the S name of the students, and those numbers you have to highlight it baki, and code you have to break on that, and the system is run. After that you have to get the message running successfully. Only R name of the students or the alphabetical word S name of the students only. This is the program practice you have to use for the software design. And the software testing is the real-time application you can use for the embedded system, IoT, or the Raspberry Pi. You have to also use for that real-time software. Means online software is the example of yesterday I was talk for the Wireshark software. This is also real-time application. You have to data maintain your IP address to get the data of particular students. This is the accessible data for both the devices. Okay. Then unit 4, PCB design. In a PCB design, fundamental of definition, standards, routing topologies, configuration, layer stackup, assignments, grounding methodologies, aspect ratio, image plans, functioning or the partitioning, critical frequency, bypass or the decoupling, design techniques of the ESD protection, and the guard band implementation. In a PCB design, there are number of points you have to find out here. The methodology, standards, single layer PCB, double layer PCB, or the multi-layer PCB. This is the types of the PCB you have to use for the particular application. Is implementing you have to use for the double-sided PC, and the circuit design for the grounding or the methodologies you have to use for the single side, but the design techniques of the ESD protection means the multi channel PCB you can use for the and the implementation of the PCB design. Then next one, the product debugging and the testing. What is the debugging? You have to run step of any software that debugging products. You can calibrate of that products or the troubleshooting of that products. Then after that, steps of the debugging, techniques for troubleshooting, characterization, electromechanical components, passive components, active devices. These number of the points covered in a unit 5, product debugging and the testing. What is the product debugging? In the product you have to use for the any software product or the hardware product, and that product you have to implement debugging or the testing. There are number of types of that components: electromechanical components, passive components, active components, active devices. Also you have to use this most important operational amplifier. This analog to circuitry design, digital components, analog circuitry, IC741 you have to use here, analog to operational amplifier. Then next point, analog digital conversion, ADC. ADC is most important, 0808 for the conversion of that signal, analog signal to digital signal. Then the microcontroller, you have to get the signal. After that, any application you have to implement on that. Then next one, the digital component, inspection and the testing components, simulation, prototyping and the testing, integration, validation and the verification. Integration means integrate the signal or the debugging of that signal. You have to test on that for the particular error, and after that verified you have to get the done, means implementation and development is any circuitry verification is successfully. And last point, EMI/EMC, electromagnetic interference and electromagnetic compatibility. These two issues discuss on that unit. And last is the documentation. What is the documentation? You have to use a documentation or any documentary report writing or the thesis for particular project or particular product. What is the need? Need definition, need, types and documentation is most important. Records, accountability, legality, audience preparations, presentation, preservation of document, methods of documentation, visual techniques, layouts, and the bill of material, layout documentation. Any documentary you have to use here. In a electronics product design subject, you use for the book. This is the best book of the textbook. Robert Herrick, Printed Circuit Design Techniques or the EMC, and the Kim Follower, Electronics Instrument Design. Also you have to use Kaduskar book, Electronic Product Design, Kaduskar and Baru. I will share all the books PDF or also online available on that book. You download it and check the syllabus for in these books. Okay.